Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. We got a new series of videos for you. It's about a gun retention for the pistol and for the long weapon rifle or shotgun. So we're working on it right now. It's going to be 4 short videos. We'll try to keep our videos short, between 3 to 5 minutes. The first one is on the pistol right after this introduction. Then we're going to have one with the rifle, and then 2 discussions at the end on the pistol retention and the rifle retention. So as always, all our videos are on rehearsed, using Systema principles and based on my personal training and experiences. Okay, no choreographed move, funky stuff that you only see on the movies, and they are only designed to look good on the screen. So old-fashioned, unrehearsed videos, all based on engagement and real engagement and improvising and thinking on your feet what to do next. So we had fun filming those videos for you. We snapped the handle of our training green rifle and also the torch. It was a lot of fun of doing that, and we hope that you guys enjoy it. And well, subscribe, comment, and share the videos, please. Okay, thank you. See you soon in the next one. Bye bye. Stop there. Keep your hands up. Don't move. Hands up. Don't move. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Stay there. Stay there. Stop. Don't move. Keep your hands up. Don't move. Right to see them. Don't move. Stay there. Hey, you. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Stay there. Clear. Stop there. Don't move. Stop. Keep your hands where I can see them, up in your head. Don't move. Stay there. Hey, you, come on. Come out of here. Come on. Don't move. Clear. Yep. Stop there, sir. Stop. Don't move. Your hands up. Keep your hands up where I can see them. Above your head. Don't move. Stay there. Don't move. Hey, I can see you. Don't move. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Clear. That's so good. Okay. Sir, stop there. Don't move. Stop. Keep your hands up where I can see them. Don't move. Stay there. Don't move. Stay there. Stay there. Don't move. Stay there. Clear. hands up. Don't move, sir. Stay there. Don't move. Keep your hands above your head, sir. Don't move. Stay there. Don't move. Stay there. Don't move, sir. Clear.
Alright, cool.
So we're gonna do now another one with the gun rifle.
Yeah.
And then we'll go and we'll explain everything.